The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for all of Florida beginning at 5:11 p.m. and ending at 7:11 p.m. A Florida Amber Alert has been issued for Tinley West, a white female, 1 year old, 2 feet tall, 22 pounds, blonde hair and blue eyes, last seen in the area of the 2600 block of Green Valley Street in Valerico, Florida. She was last seen wearing a yellow shirt with rainbows, and tan pants with rainbow prints. She may be traveling in a 2018 white Volkswagen Tiguan, Florida tag number WBR 587. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office at 813247800 or 911 #Flimber.